Can Los Angeles' iconic airport transform itself in time for the World Cup and the 2026 Olympics? With a staggering $14 billion at stake, the race is on to revamp Los Angeles International Airport, LAX, in what promises to be one of the most significant infrastructure projects in the city's history. But with tight deadlines and immense challenges ahead, will LAX be ready to shine on the world stage? Before we delve deeper into the topic, do give us a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you're done with that, then let's get started. LAX has long been associated with deteriorating terminals, relentless traffic, and frustrated travelers. However, a massive renovation project is underway to change all that, with time running out. LAX didn't start as the sprawling hub it is today. In the 1920s, it was a modest airfield known as Mines Field. As air travel expanded, so did LAX, officially becoming Los Angeles International Airport in 1949. Over the decades, terminals were added and expanded to accommodate the increasing number of passengers. A significant upgrade occurred for the 1984 Olympics, but even that couldn't handle the crowds seen today. Now, overcrowding and congestion define LAX, which currently handles around 75 million passengers annually and approximately 575,000 aircraft movements, making it the second busiest airport in the US and the third globally. This leads to long wait times for security, baggage claims, and check-ins. The airport's sprawling layout with disconnected terminals adds to the complexity. Many areas of the airport feel outdated and cramped, with insufficient check-in spaces, narrow hallways, and limited seating. Getting to and from LAX is also a nightmare, with constant traffic jams, especially since so many rely on cars and taxis. It's like everyone is trying to squeeze through the same small door at once. Passengers have also reported a lack of assistance from airport staff during peak times, complicating navigation and problem-solving. With major events like the World Cup and the Olympics approaching, LAX expects even more visitors, worsening existing problems and highlighting the urgency of its modernization. Acknowledging the critical need for change, Los Angeles World Airports, LAWA, the City of Los Angeles, and various stakeholders launched a $4 billion Capital Improvement Program, CIP, in 2017. This isn't just a superficial update, it's a comprehensive transformation. Everything from the terminals to the roads is being overhauled with the aim of turning LAX into a world-class airport, ready for the future crowd, and to showcase Los Angeles to the world during the World Cup and Olympics. Since 2017, Terminal 1 has undergone a $980 million renovation, with the latest updates completed in 2021. A new 283,000 square foot section was added, providing more space for check-ins, baggage claim, and faster security with new automated screening lanes. A bridge now connects Terminal 1 to Terminal 2, eliminating the need for a second security check. Despite a recent significant upgrade, the Tom Bradley International Terminal, which handles all international flights, is receiving a $2 billion enhancement. Security lines have been upgraded with new automated lanes to reduce wait times. Additionally, a brand new concourse, the Midfield Satellite Concourse, is being constructed adjacent to the Tom Bradley International Terminal. Part of the MSC North, also known as West Gates, was completed in 2021, adding 15 new gates, including 12 that can accommodate wide-body aircraft like the Airbus A380, as well as new lounges and shops. The MSC South, currently under construction, will add 8 more gates for narrow-body aircraft and is expected to be completed in 2025. Terminals 4 and 5 are also undergoing a major overhaul, costing a combined $1.6 billion. A new shared departure hall is slated for completion in 2027, streamlining check-ins into one centralized location. A new South Concourse will provide more space for passengers to relax, dine, and shop, with a special bus gate to improve connections between domestic and international flights. The existing North Concourse is also receiving a significant upgrade, including new escalators, elevators, ticket counters, and remodeled public areas. Even the baggage claim area and walkways between gates are being updated, with all improvements scheduled for completion by 2027. The T4 connector, completed in 2020, is a $115 million bridge that allows passengers to walk between Terminals 4 and the Tom Bradley International Terminal without needing to go through security again. Terminal 5 is undergoing a $250 million makeover to enhance the travel experience, including a state-of-the-art baggage screening system and significant upgrades to the check-in and security areas. Terminal 6, which has already seen multiple upgrades, is receiving another $38.5 million modernization focused on gate areas and lounges, with the project set to finish in 2024. It's not just the terminals getting attention. Runways and taxiways at LAX are also being upgraded to ensure safe and efficient operations. But the most exciting development involves plans for a new Terminal 9 and Concourse 0, marking the second phase of the modernization plan, although construction timelines are still pending. Improving access to and from the airport is another key component of the plan. Traffic at LAX has been a long-standing issue, but the Landside Access Modernization Program, LAMP, a $5.5 billion initiative, aims to tackle it head-on. The first step is the Automated People Mover, APM, a $2 billion elevated electric train system that will connect all terminals, parking lots, a new rental car center, and the LA Metro train system. This 2.25-mile system is expected to carry up to 30 million passengers annually and significantly reduce traffic congestion, with operations set to begin in early 2026. The consolidated rental car, Conrack facility, will bring all rental car companies under one roof, directly connected to the APM. This $1.3 billion facility, expected to open in 2025, will simplify the car rental process. The Intermodal Transportation Facilities, ITFs, will serve as major hubs for buses, shuttles, and other transportation options, enhancing connectivity to and from the airport. LAMP also includes significant road improvements around the airport, including curbside areas and roadway infrastructure, with an investment of approximately $118 million. These enhancements are projected to reduce traffic in the central terminal area by 40%, making the airport more accessible. This ambitious project, which began in 2017, is expected to continue through 2030. However, most projects are on track to be completed before the 2028 Olympic and Paralympic Games, including the APM, Conrack, and several terminal renovations and expansions. The phased approach allows the airport to remain operational while minimizing disruptions to travelers. When the $14 billion investment is complete, LAX will not just be modernized, it will feel like a brand new airport, with sleek new terminals, smooth rides on the new train, and an experience finally worthy of a world-class city like Los Angeles. This transformation will be a lasting legacy of the 2028 Games. So, the next time you fly in or out of LA, prepare for an entirely new LAX experience. Have you experienced the traffic or overcrowding at LAX? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.